Hi! In this video, we'll show you how to replace the battery in your LH80 Pro device. Follow these steps and you'll be up and running in no time. Step 1. Please be sure your helmet is disconnected from the charger. Step 2. On the rear of the helmet, you'll find two screws that fasten the battery door. Remove them with a Phillips screwdriver and set them in a safe place. You'll need them later. Step 3. Carefully remove the battery door from your helmet. You'll see the battery is attached to the helmet via two wires and a plastic connector. Let's remove that. Disconnect those wires by pinching them at the base of the connector and gently pulling them apart. You can now slide the battery out and set it aside. Step 4. Let's install the new battery. Start by attaching the new battery via the cables. Make sure the two connector ridges are facing outwards. Slide the white connector from the battery into the one on your helmet. Next, gently slide the battery into the device. When you do this, don't be alarmed. The helmet will say "System Error," and the master switch will flash red. This is normal. Step 5. To exit this state, you will need to press the master switch and hold it for 1 second.
Ready for treatment. Place on head.
When successful, the helmet will say, "Ready for treatment, place on head." Step 6. Now reinstall the battery door. Don't turn the helmet on until the battery door is shut and the two Phillips screws are reinstalled. Great job! The battery replacement is now complete. Step 7. Don't forget, recycle the old battery. If you're having issues, please contact us at 855-549-6757 or email us at support@theradome.com.